Here's a typical question for someone in California who's been injured as a result of a slip and fall incident. What is the effect of a warning sign? Does that mean that the business is not responsible for my fall and my injuries? Very good question, very common question. And the answer is somewhat complicated and complex because the real question is, how effective was that warning sign? Did it actually put you on notice that there was a dangerous or slippery condition there on the property? Let's say, for example, there is somebody who is mopping the floor and they have a mop bucket and it says caution, warning, slippery when wet, and it's a big yellow mop bucket. However, they're over here mopping over here, but they just came and left a streak of water across the floor, and you come walking in the door over here and you slip and fall and you break your hip. That mop bucket way over there did not provide you any warning or any notice. It's completely ineffectual. But what if there is a cone that is right here and it's right where something slippery is, and you trip over the cone or slip on what's slippery right next to the cone? The question is, did that provide you adequate notice of that slippery condition? Just because it was there may not answer the complete question. What if there is a display of products and you're looking at the products and that cone was right out in the middle where everybody was going to walk? There are lots and lots of variations. There are numerous facts that need to be investigated to determine whether or not that warning was sufficient or whether it was insufficient. Here's what you need to do. Take pictures, take video, document the way that the cone was or the warning sign was and where the hazard was. You have the burden of proof. You have to prove they were negligent. The way to do it is to gather evidence right from the beginning, and that is taking pictures, taking video, asking anybody there who saw what happened what they have to say and what they saw, and maybe recording it all on your phone. If you have questions regarding your slip and fall injury here in Ventura, you give me a call. I would be glad to talk to you, and we will see what we can do to investigate this and what needs to be done to protect you and your interests.